EN12477 Demystified. Welders face multiple hazards daily, such as mechanical and several thermal risks. For light or occasional welding, a heat-resistant glove may be good enough. But for frequent welding or when the welding job is more complex, a certified welding glove is required. The EN12477 standard is intended explicitly for use for gloves designed for welding operations and related processes. For welders, this is basically the only glove certification you need to make sure you have made the right choice. The welding glove standard consists of a combination of tests from EN420, EN388, protection against mechanical risks, and certain tests from the standard EN407, protection against thermal risks. This is because welding gloves are required to withstand both mechanical and thermal risks, particularly small splashes of molten metal, short exposure to convective heat, to radiant heat, and to contact heat. This table summarizes the tests of a welding glove and the levels required to be approved. The EN12477 standard also defines the welding glove according to its design and purpose. It is defined into two categories, Type A and Type B. Type A refers to gloves with higher protection against heat, but with lower flexibility and dexterity. This is due to the protective layer often being thicker and thus less suitable for precision welding. This is the type of glove needed for stick welding. Type B refers to gloves with lower protection against heat, but with greater flexibility and dexterity. This is due to the protective layer often being thinner and thus more suitable for precision welding. This is the type needed for MIG and TIG welding. Welding is a specialized work that needs specific requirements, particularly on heat protection and dexterity. However, you will need to understand what type of welding you will be involved in to pick the right gloves for your task. Like for all safety gloves, it is important to make the right choice of gloves for the work you do to protect your hands. For more information on choosing the right gloves for you or your customers, please visit www.softtouch.se or contact us.